Understanding the phrase, throw money around. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase, throw money around. This expression is quite colorful and can tell us a lot about someone's spending habits. So, if you're ready to expand your English vocabulary and sound more like a native speaker, you're in the right place. When someone throws money around, it means they are spending their money very freely or carelessly, often in a way that shows off their wealth. It's not just about spending a lot of money, it's about how and why that money is spent. This phrase often carries a negative connotation, suggesting that the spender is not being thoughtful or responsible with their financial resources. To help you understand better, let's look at a few examples. He loves to throw money around at parties, buying expensive drinks for everyone. After winning the lottery, she started to throw money around, purchasing luxury cars and mansions. Companies that throw money around on lavish office decorations may not always be the best at managing their finances. These examples show different contexts where the phrase can be used, highlighting its versatility and the underlying implications of recklessness and showiness. Understanding synonyms can help you recognize the same idea expressed differently. Here are a few: squander, waste, splurge. Each of these words can be used in similar contexts but might carry slightly different nuances. Being aware of the connotation of throwing money around can help you use it correctly in conversations. It's perfect for discussing financial habits, but remember its slightly negative tone. Using it to describe someone's spending should be done thoughtfully, especially if you're talking directly about or to that person. That wraps up our exploration of the phrase, throw money around. We hope this video has given you a clear understanding of what it means, how to use it, and how to recognize it in different contexts. Remember, expanding your vocabulary is a great way to improve your English, but understanding the nuances of phrases like this one is what really makes you sound like a native speaker. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video.